So this is the first question of fundamentals of 2023 paper. So let us read the question first. On 1st April 2022, the capital of the firm of Ashu and Madhav is 1,50,000. The normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%. Average profit is 23,500. Calculate the goodwill of the firm based on the 3-year purchase of super profit. So, average profit is given. We need to find out normal profit first. So, normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return by 100. You need to write it completely. Okay. So, capital employed is 1,50,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. So, you'll get 15,000 as the normal profit. Now, super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. So your average profit is given as 23,500 minus 15,000. So you will get 8,500 as the super profit. So goodwill of the firm is super profit into number of year purchase is 3. So we'll get the answer as 25,500. This is the goodwill of the firm. This question is for 3 marks. Now another question. This is available in option of the first question. It is an or question. So what is given here? Rakshit, Malik are partners in the firm sharing profits in the ratio 4:1. On 1st April, their capital were 1,20,000 and 80,000 respectively. On 1st October, 1st October means after how many months? After 8 months, they decided that the total capital of the firm should be 3 lakh to be contributed by them in the ratio 2:1. 3 lakh capital distributed in 2:1. That means if you divide it, you will get 2 lakh and 1 lakh. That means after 8 months, the capital of Rakshit should be 2 lakh, Malik should be 1 lakh. So, for 8 months, the capital Rakshit was having was 1 lakh 20. For last 4 months, his capital was 2 lakh. Malik capital for 8 months was 80,000 and the last 4 months it was 1 lakh. So, accordingly, we'll find out interest on capital also. So, interest and capital, first we'll find out for Rakshit. So what are we supposed to do here? 1,20,000 into percentage is 6%. Okay, rate is 6%. We are calculating it for 8 months, and for the remaining 4 months he had 2 lakh for 4 months. So now if we calculate, we'll get 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 4,800, 2, 2, 0, 0, 4,000. So interest on capital for Rakshit is 8,800, and now we'll calculate for Malik also. So Malik is, he had 80,000, 6% for 8 months, and 2 lakh, 6% for 4 months. Here you'll again get 4,000 only. 1, 2, 4, 3,200 here. So total is 5,200. So this is Rakshit. You can mention here interest on capital of Rakshit is 8,800 and Malik is 5,200. You can completely write it in sentence also. Okay. So we are done with the 2 questions. Any of the question you can do. Both the questions are easy only. So let us start with another question. So next one says Mohan, Sohan, Suresh. This is of another set of 2023. The question says Mohan, Sohan and Suresh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. Suresh was guaranteed a profit of 70,000 and any deficiency on account of guarantee to Suresh will be borne by the Mohan and Sohan in the ratio 3:2. The full firm profit was 2 lakh that year. We are supposed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So let us quickly make the account. So here you'll have to mention completely that profit and loss appropriation account for year ended 31st March 2022. Particulars amount. Format to be prepared properly. So we'll write down the profit and loss account, the net profit over here. So net profit was how much? It was 2 lakh. Now there's nothing given which has to be distributed. So what we'll do, we'll directly distribute the profit among the partners. So Mohan, Sohan and Suresh. So 2 lakh to be divided in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1. So we'll divide it by 5. So we'll get 4. So we're getting 80,000. Mohan's share is 80. Sohan's share is 80. And Suresh's share is 40. Now Suresh was given a guarantee of 70,000. So he got only 40. So the efficiency is of 30,000. So this 30,000 will be paid by Mohan and Sohan in the ratio 3 is to 2. So let's divide it by 3 is to 2, we'll get 5, 6 into 3 and into 2. So we are getting 18,000 and 12,000. Okay. So Mohan, how much will give? So we'll write here guarantee to Suresh. How much guarantee he has given? 18,000. So we'll reduce 18,000 out of this. And Sohan, same way we'll write for Sohan also, guarantee to Suresh. How much? 12,000 will subtract from here. Okay. So here we'll add which he gets from both the persons. So guarantee from Mohan, write in complete statement, from Sohan. So he's getting 18,000, 12,000. So likewise this will become 70,000 for Suresh. He'll get complete amount. And here we'll get 0, 0, 0, 8, 58. Okay. No, it won't be 58. It will be 68. And this will be 0, 0, 0, 62,000. Okay. This is the end of this question. Okay. So let us quickly read another question. I'll just rub this out and solve it here itself. So let us quickly read the other question. It says, A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits equally. Their capital was 1,20,000 and 80,000. The annual rate of interest is 20%. What is this annual rate of return? NRR. Okay. The profit of the firm for the last 3 years was 34, 38 and 30. They admitted C as a new partner. On C's admission, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 years purchase of super profit. We need to find out what was the value of goodwill on C's admission. Okay, even though it is an admission kind of question, but the way which we are solving it's out of the goodwill part, valuation of goodwill part only. Okay, so we can include it in fundamentals also. So let us quickly find out. So first of all we need average profit. So let's find out average profit. So average profit will be 34,000 plus 38,000 plus 30,000 whole divided by 3. So we'll get 2, 1, 9, 10, 9 and 10. 1 lakh 2,000 whole divided by 3. So we'll get it as 34,000 we are getting as average profit. And normal profit equals to capital employed into, so what is the capital employed? We'll add the capital, so we're getting 2 lakh. And 2 lakh 20%. 20% is the normal rate of return, so you'll get 40,000 as the normal profit. So if you try to find out the super profit, you'll find that average profit is 34,000 whereas normal profit is 40,000. So the super profit is negative. That means the firm do not have any super profit. So here you need to mention that firm do not have any goodwill. What's the reason? Because super profit is negative, or you can even write it because the firm do not have any super profit. Okay, you have to mention the reason also. So we are done with the two sum. Anyone you can choose and solve it accordingly. So next, let's do this question as well. So this says Raman, Manan and Naman were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 2:1:1. Raman has withdrawn 3,000 every month and Manan has withdrawn 4,000 every month. Interest on drawing is 6% was charged, whereas partnership deed was silent as to about interest on drawing. So this is a past adjustment question. We need to pass a rectification entry. If you note here, what has happened? Raman and Manan, yes, Raman and Manan, they have paid interest on drawing. They have already paid, okay, but they were not supposed to pay. It was not to be provided because the deed was silent. When the deed is silent, interest on drawing is not provided. So they paid it. So what we'll do? We'll pay them back. But you know what happened initially? Raman and Manan paid the interest on drawing. That interest on drawing value is a profit for the firm, and that profit was actually distributed among these three partners in the ratio 2:1:1. Okay, that means the amount of interest on drawing is already distributed as profit among these three in the ratio 2:1. So what we'll do, we'll take the profit back, we'll debit it, and we'll give interest on capital back. We'll credit the interest on capital. That is what we are supposed to do to find the answer. Okay, so see here how we are supposed to do. I'll make a table. If you know any other way to solve it, you can do it that way also. This is Raman, Manan. This is actually the working part. Okay, just for showing. So what are we going to do? We'll credit interest on capital and we will debit the profit. So we'll write interest on drawings to be credited. We are doing the reverse part, okay, to be credited. So what's the first we need to find out how much interest was paid by Raman and Manan. So we need to calculate. If you see, this is given 3,000 every month, but it is not mentioned it was beginning, middle or end. So you can take any one, okay. And you please provide a note that we have assumed that interest on the drawings were done in the middle of every month or beginning of the every month, or as such, if they are not specifying, they have to give you the answer as correct if you are taking any of the values. So we'll take middle here. So look at this, interest on, you have to calculate in rough only. So how are you going to calculate? For Raman's is 3,000 every month. That means the annual drawing is going to be into 12. Rate is 6%, and if it is middle of the every month, we need to take 6 by 12. And same way 4,000. This is annual drawing rate into 6 by 12. So getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Oh, we need. So this will give you the answer as 3 these are 9, 9 12s are 1080. Okay, this is what we'll get. So 3 4s are 12, 12 12s are 144 and 0. Okay, this is the interest on drawings which were paid by Raman and Manan. So we'll write it down here. 1080 got paid by Raman and Manan paid 1440, and Naman did not withdraw anything, so he has not paid anything. So now what we'll do, we'll add both this 1080 and 1440. So we'll get to 2520. This was the profit value which was distributed among both the partners. So what we'll do, profit to be debited in which ratio? 2:1:1. So if we distribute 2520 divide by 4, we'll get 6, 3, 630. So 630 into 2 into 1 into 1. So Manan will get 630, Naman will get 630, and into 2 you will get 1260. Okay, this part to be mind well, this is to be credited and this is to be debited from their account. So you need to find out the difference. So the difference will give you the answer. So if we subtract this, we'll get 0, 8 and 180. This will be debit. Why debit? This is the amount which Raman will get and this is the amount which he has to pay. So he has to pay 180 rupees more. So 180 will be debited. Likewise, the other part, debit and credit, if you subtract here, we'll get 0, 1 and 810. This will be credit. And this is 630 debit. Okay, so we got our journal entry. Make sure when you're preparing, writing down this journal entry, you're preparing a proper format for this. Okay, you need to write everything properly. I'm not mentioning, but make sure that you're writing all the heads properly. So the entry will be Raman's capital account debit. Sorry, it's Naman's capital debit. Naman's capital account debit to Manan's capital account. So amount is 180, 630 and 810. Make sure you write the narration as well. So this is the solution for the first question. Okay, likewise we have another question. In the second question we are supposed to prepare P&L appropriation. So I'll simply rub this out and solve the another question. We need to make P&L appropriation. Just I'm making the format ready over here. So profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March. Make sure you write the format properly. Credit, debit, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Now, let's read the question quickly. Arun and Barun were partners. Their ratio was 3:2. Their capital was 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. The partnership deed provided to give them interest on capital. Okay, to Arun and Barun. Now, quarterly salary of 1,000 was provided to Barun, and Arun had given a loan of 1 lakh on 1st October. That means after 6 months to the firm without any agreement about it. Okay, about the interest. So if partnership deed is silent regarding to the interest on loan, we are supposed to give 6% per annum. So the that year's profit was 26,800. But interest on partner's loan is a charge. So charge need to be subtracted out of this. So if we write profit and loss account, the net profit over here. So what we'll do, we will write down the correct amount. So what is going to be the value of interest on loan? So if you see your interest on loan will be how much? 1 lakh, 6% of this, but only for 6 months. You can do it orally also, but I'm still showing you. You'll get 3,000 as the answer. That means you need to subtract 3,000. So actual profit of the firm was 23,800 and not 26,000. Okay. Now, what are we supposed to do? Interest on capital to be provided. So I'll write down interest on capital. Arun and Barun. So how much? 6%. 6% interest on capital is how much? 6 5s are 30 and 6 6. Okay, for complete month. 6 5s are 30 and 6 3s are 18. So 4,800 interest. Next comes salary. Salary to Barun. Okay, salary to Barun. It's 1000 per quarter. So total we have 4 quarters. So he's supposed to get 4000 as the salary. So now if we subtract 8, so we're getting 15,000 profits remaining. This profit will be transferred to Arun's capital and Barun's capital. So 15,000 in which ratio 3 is to 2. So you will get here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. This is the solution of the second question. Okay, now moving towards the next one. Let us quickly read this part. Monica, Bhumika, and Komalika were partners, sharing profits in the ratio 6 is to 4 is to 1. Komalika is guaranteed a minimum amount of 3 lakh as her share in the profit, and the firm's net profit was 22 lakh. We just need to prepare. It's a very simple question. So let us quickly make the P&L appropriation. Make sure that you write it completely, okay? Don't do it about same like me. So here we write for the year ended 31st March 2022. Particulars, amount, particulars, and amount. So how much is the net profit? The net profit is 22 lakh. Now, first what we'll do, we'll distribute this 22 lakh among all these three partners. 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11. If you divide it by 11, we are getting 2 lakh. So 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. 6 lakh, 4 lakh, and 2 lakh. This is the distribution. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 12, 8, and 4. So we'll directly write down profit transferred to the capital account. Okay, so we'll write here Monica, Bhumika, and Kamolika. So distributed in the ratio, we got 8 lakh. Then 2 4s are, no, sorry, not 8 lakh. The first person is 12 lakh. Second was 8 lakh. And the third one was 2 lakh. How did I get it? Divided by 11, I got 2. So 2 into 6 into 4 into 1. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. 12, 8, and 2. Now, the third person, that Kamolika, is given a guarantee of 3 lakh, but she is only getting 1 lakh. There's a deficiency of how much? The deficiency is of 1 lakh. That 1 lakh will be paid by Monica and Bhumika in the ratio 6 is to 4. Okay, so 1 lakh, if divided by 6 is to 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. So we're getting 10,000 into 6 into 4. So we're getting it as 60,000 and 40,000. Monica is supposed to give 60,000. So we'll write guarantee to Kamolika 60,000 to be subtracted, and your guarantee to Kamolika 40,000, your plus guarantee from Monica plus guarantee from Bhumika. So it was 60,000 plus 40,000. So this will make 3 lakh here. Here will get 7 lakh 60,000, and here will get 11 lakh 40,000. So this is the end of the question. Make sure that you add the value so that you get the total as correct. Okay, so we're getting total as 22. So this is done. So next question, I'll simply rub this out and move to the next question immediately. Fine, so let us read this question first. Ananya, Bhavi and Chandni were partners in a firm sharing with the capital 2, 3 and 1 lakh respectively. According to the provision, Ananya, Chandni, these two people were supposed to get 1500 rupees salary, monthly salary. Okay, into 12, that means 18,000 for a year. Bhavi was entitled to get a quarterly salary, per annum salary of 4,000. So what they are saying, profit for that year was 80,000, was divided between the partners in the ratio 3:3:2 without providing adjustment. That means in the entire question, the problem is that salary was not provided. Only salary was not provided. So here we will not consider this. We can do it directly also. So let us prepare the table first. Ananya, Bhavi and Chandni. So now see, interest on salary was to be credited, but it was not given. So what we'll do? So we'll write here salary to be credited. This salary they should get. So we'll consider this to be credit. So 1500. Ananya was supposed to get 18,000. How 18,000? 1500 into 12. That's how we got it. And Chandni was also supposed to get 18,000 salary. And Bhavi was supposed to get 4,000. So 18 plus 18, 36 and 4, it's 40,000. So total profit of 40,000 was actually distributed by all these people. If any of the appropriation is not provided, that amount gets added with the profit and is distributed among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. So this 40,000 rupees profit, these people have distributed among themselves. So what we'll assume, we'll take that profit back and give salary back to them. Okay, so we'll write profit to be debited. Okay, for your convenience, I'm writing the 40,000. In which ratio you will give? 3:3:2. So 3 plus 2, 3, 3, 2 is 8. 8 if we divide by 40. See, how do I distribute 40,000? Total of the ratio is 8. So getting 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. 15,000. 15,000. And 10,000. So what's the difference? 18 is what she was supposed to get and she got 15,000. So she'll get 3,000 more. Bhavi was supposed to get only 4,000, but she got 15,000. So we'll take 11,000 back. It will be debited. And here she will get 8,000 more. So credit. So now the journal entry which we are supposed to pass is, make the format, quickly make the format. So entry will be Bhavi's capital account, debit to Ananya's capital account to Chandni's capital account. So how much is the amount? 11,000. Ananya is getting 3,000 and 8,000. Okay, so this is your journal entry. This is how it has to be done. Okay, we have one more question, so let us try to quickly finish this up as well. So Asha, Disha, Raghav, profit sharing ratio is 2:3:1. According to the partnership agreement, Raghav was guaranteed 40,000. Okay, it's a similar kind of question because they are of same set, same year, different set, but same year question. So they are going to be similar only. So we'll write here P&L appropriation account for year ended 31st March 2022, credit and debit particulars amount. So net profit was 1,20,000. So we'll directly distribute this amount first. So we'll write profit transferred to the capital account. So who are the partners? We'll write down Asha, Disha, and Raghav. So 1,20,000 to be distributed in 6. If we divide by 6, we'll get 2. 2 twos are 4. 40,000. 2 3s are 6. 60,000 and 20,000. Now Raghav was given a guarantee of 40,000. Deficiency is of 20,000. So this 20,000 will be paid by Asha and Disha in the ratio 2:3. So if we divide 20,000 by 5, so we'll get 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Okay, so here we will get 8,000 and 12,000. So we will write less guarantee to Raghav, less guarantee to Raghav, plus guarantee from Asha and Disha both. So here this will become 40,000. Here after reducing this will be 48,000, and this will become 32,000. This is the end of this question. 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Okay, so moving towards the next question. Okay, let us quickly read this next question. What does it say? Akhil and Nikhil were partners. The ratio is 3:2. Their fixed capital was 1,80,000 respectively. So interest on capital was agreed at 6% per annum. Nikhil was to be allowed an annual salary of 9,200. During the year 2021-22, the net profit of the firm prior to the calculation of interest. So whatever amount of net profit which we write on the debit side, it is before adding up any appropriation. If there is any value which is given that it was taken after considering any appropriation, we need to add it back. Same thing is given here also. Net profit prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but it's written that after charging Nikhil's salary, it was amounted to 1,20,000. That means this amount is wrong. Okay, why? Because they have already subtracted 9,000, means an appropriation, that is salary, was already subtracted. We need to add the salary back again. Okay, then we'll get the correct net profit. So let us prepare the format first. Profit and loss appropriation account, write it completely for the year ended 31st March 2022. So the net profit, it's not going to be 1,20,000. So 1,20,000, it is after considering salary, so add the salary back to it. So the actual profit is 1,29,200. 1,20,000 plus 9,200. Now we'll give the appropriations. So they're saying that the capital was fixed, so we'll write down interest on capital. Akhil, Nikhil. So 6%, that means 6,000. 6 8 6 8 are 48, 4,800. So we'll get 10,800 here. Then salary to Nikhil, it's 9,200. Okay, so whatever amount will remain will transfer to the partner's current account, not capital. Why current account? Because the capitals are fixed. So 1,29,200, 1,29,200. So after subtracting 10,800 and 9,200, we'll get the amount as 1,09,000. Sorry, 1,09,200. So we'll write profit transferred to current account. Okay, this is Akhil and Nikhil. So 1,09,200, if divide by 5 by 5, because 3:2 is given. So if I divide by 5, I'll get 2, 5 ones are 5, 4, 8, 4, 0. This into 3 into 2. Into 3, I'll get 0, 2, 5. Okay, and into 2, I'll get 0, 8, 16, 1 carry, 2 and 3 and 4. This is my answer. So we are completed with this also. So all these questions were of 2023. So all the questions of 2023 we are completed. So after this, now we'll continue with 2020.